Are you looking for a nice magnetic set of safety warning lights that'll go on top of your truck? These might be the best option for you. These things can go up to 80 miles an hour up there without having any problems. Let me get these things hooked up, show you how easy it is to install, and how easy they are to use. Well, and here's the light. The system itself, it's not completely assembled, but assembly is really easy. They give you everything you need to get this thing assembled. This thing can be powered by the old cigarette lighter. There's obviously a nice on-off switch. It can also be hardwired for those people that want to get this thing hardwired in. This thing is really nice. Comes with a nice color instruction manual. This thing can make your truck visible and seen. This is the nice control module. As you can see, this is very easily laid out. I'm going to get this thing put together and hooked up. This combination of suction cups and magnets is unbelievable how well this sticks on your vehicle. This is unbelievable. I'll show you how I get these things installed real quick. And to get the power, obviously just use the old cigarette lighter thing. You can see the indication light. This thing is ready to rock. I'm gonna show you what these lights look like. Well, here's the module. It's kind of nice, got this nice long cord, so it doesn't necessarily have to be stuck inside the cab. So if you're outside the truck or vehicle, you can use it. It does have a nice little tab on the back here, a little 3M sided thing, so you could mount this on the dash wherever it's convenient for you. But this is just super nice. Really simple mechanism to go, and you can see how nice and bright those lights are. You can see there's 29 different preset options, plus you have some custom options for yourself. But this is so cool. These lights are great. They're definitely going to make you noticed no matter what you do or where you're at. Hopefully you enjoy them as much as I do. Thanks for watching.